Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself, gather it together in a low ponytail at the bottom. Now divide this low ponytail into three parts and then braid the hair. Once you have braided the hair, add a rubber band to the bottom. Loosen out the sides of your braid as such, and then once you're done with this, roll it upwards and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we tie a ponytail out of the hair, slightly loosen it, then use one of your decorative pins, pin it up through the side and then fasten it in its place. Take a rubber band, add it to the end of the hair and then fluff it out and then fold it towards the bottom as such. Use bobby pins to fasten it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back as such. Roll the hair in on itself and then at the bottom tie a low ponytail. Once you're done with this, add a rubber band to the middle section of the hair. After this, make a center hole and then fill it in and make a bun out of it. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten the hair into place. Add a decorative clip on top of this once you are done. Next, take a section from the top of the hair, add a rubber band to it at the back once you are done. Vertically add this clip to it as well. Take two sections of the hair from either side and then insert it first into the first level of the clip, then do it for the second level and the third level respectively. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Add a hair twine into the ponytail as such. Twist this ponytail around the hair twine. Once you are done with this, add a rubber band around the base as such. After this, twist the hair into a bun and then adjust the decorative piece as need be. We have decided to put it in the side as such. Next, we'll start off by taking this decorative clip. Now, gather the hair together, tie a low ponytail out of the hair. Once you are done with this, divide the hair into three parts and then slowly begin to braid it. Now, once you're done braiding it, add a rubber band to the base of the hair. After this, lift up the hair, make it into a bun, roll it up in order to do so, and then add your decorative clip on top of this. This is what it should look like. Next, we will start off by taking this multi-level clip it up at the back, take a section from the right side and the left side, twist both of these sections and then begin to insert it into the middle section of the clip. Next, take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the right side of the clip and then do the same for the left side as well. Comb the rest of the hair in place. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then use a multi-level, multi-prong clip in order to fasten it in its place. After this, take the top of the hair, tie a rubber band to it and then pin it up downwards after fluffing it out a little bit. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it at the top as well. Next, take the hair, take a section from the left side and then clip it up using a multi-level clip. Take a section from the right side, twist it, insert it into the right section of the clip. Next, take another section from the left side of the scalp, twist it, insert it in the center section of the clip and then make a section on the left side as well. Next, take a hair stick, gather the hair together, twist it and then make a bun out of it using the hair stick. Now, once you're done with this is what it should look like. Take the excess and wrap it around the bun. It should have a dangling clip as such in order to make it look all the more better. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, take the top portion of the hair itself, tie a rubber band at the back of it. After this, take a twisted clip as such, wrap some hair around the arm of this clip and then make it into a bun and then fasten it in place. This is the final look. Adjust accordingly. Thank you for watching.